Hello YouTube, this is Raywood again, and this is part 2 of the 247 transfer case teardown. Alright, let me get back on it. All the bolts are out. In case you missed the first part of the video, you have around the output shaft, the housing is 13 millimeter, and the housing itself 15 millimeter, and you have 3 10 millimeter 12 point bolts, which I didn't have a 12 point socket, so I had to use a wrench to get those out. It took forever. Alright, let me bust it open. We'll see what we got inside. You have a couple of tear down notches where you get a screwdriver in there, pry points. And this housing is machine fit. It's not supposed to have a gasket on it. So you be careful where you drive your screwdrivers in. Gosh, she's amazingly clean. I can't believe how clean it is. Some of them have the chain guides, some of them don't. But you can see how slack that chain is there. The teeth don't look bad at all. Oh yeah, that's where that puppy's jumping. Yeah. That sucker looks good. Not bad at all. I'm amazed how clean it is. That focus is a prick. So, good job. This turned out a lot better. And look at that magnet. Get back down there. Focus. Focus. Come on. That magnet's got hardly any hair on it. Can't believe that crap. I figured this transfer case would be shot. 250,000 miles on it. Yeah, it's a good shape. Alright, I'm going to put you back on the bipod. Tripod. Bipod. Dummy. Oh my God, I mind what I done now. Alright, I'm going to get that chain out. Then I'm going to go see if my new chain's on the front porch. If it is, I'm going to put it on. And if not, I'm going to take a shower and have a early dinner. I'm also shooting with this about to bust my butt with this GoPro Heroes 5. I don't know how it's going to show up, but I want to try 2 different views, and we might have to do a separate video with it. It's going to be a full video. It'll I think it'll record for an hour straight. But let me get that chain off. Yeah, YouTube, I'm amazed. I got my extra transfer case. So, that's good. Even with proper snap ring pliers, it can be a son of a gun. Alright, when you take it off, make sure you note which way it goes. Alright. That part goes to the back. And it's no particular timing way it has to be, but that gear looks fine. I had concern about it, but it looks fine. If you see my other video, how you heard it jumping. Yeah, that puts more slap out. So that saved me a lot of worries and heartaches, and I don't have to tear this crap apart. But Cevistys couplers seem to be doing fine. Yeah, I can't believe it. There's hardly any fur on that. I still got you on telephoto. So y'all been able to see it okay. Alright YouTube, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I say heck yeah, and thank God. This sucker looks good. Even the guide is still good. There's no, got a little Permatex in the pickup, but it's not that bad. Yeah. Somebody had it open before. Maybe they already replaced the viscous coupler. So, a little bit of Permatex out. I'm happy. And we'll put the seals in. Shit, now I got Permatex down in there. But I'm gonna cover all this up. We'll clean it out. Get some carburetor cleaner, clean it out a little bit better. But alright YouTube, this is Ravenwood. I'm gonna sign out. And y'all have a blessed day.